Hey Dee, thanks for taking the time to speak to my associate Elizabeth today. In this quick video, we're going to go over 3 things that you can start doing to beat out your competition, improve your website traffic, and bring in more online customers. Now you may be asking, why are we doing this video? Well, in our research, we found a lot of small business owners such as yourself are too busy taking care of your customers and employees that you just don't have time to learn how the internet works. We feel that the only thing that's stopping you from hiring someone is that you don't know who's an expert and who's not. So what we do is we put together these attack plans and give them away for free. Now, some people implement these things on their own. Some people will call us back. Whatever you decide is all good with us. After this video, if you would like to chat, just feel free to reach out. So the 3 things we're going to talk about, one being content, the other backlinks, and citations. Now, content is anything on your page or your homepage. Google likes to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words on a whole page, depending on the number of keywords needed. Now, a keyword is anything that you may type into Google looking for a particular service or product. Keywords should be placed throughout your website, which in held terms lets Google know exactly what you want to be ranked for. For example, if you guys are plumbers in Oceanside, for example, you want to have keywords like plumber, Oceanside, leak, floods, stuff like that, which tells Google, tells the end user exactly what your website is all about. So I have a list of keywords here for roofers. So the more content you have on your website, the more you can actually implement and put these words on your website. So if you guys do roof leaks, you do roof repairs, shutters, stuff like that, these are the words that you want to have on your website. The more content on your website, the easier it is to have these words placed throughout your website. So what I did was I looked at your whole website. Looks good. I like the color scheme, your colors, phone number. Maybe you want to have a caption page for information here. But I highlighted everything on your page and I put it into a word counter. Right now you have about 125 words on your page. If you look at your next competitor, RKI Roofing, and we look at their page, they have a little bit more content. They have a lot of pictures, some more content here. And so I put highlight their page and put it into a word counter. They have about 634 words. And the next competitor is CNC Family Roofing. And if I look at their page, let's go back. If I look at their page, they have that, roofing. And their content is about 652 words. So basically what we can do is we can actually optimize your site, have more content, relevant content on your website so that we can begin to outrank these guys organically. And what I mean by organically is if I go here and I put in roofing repairs, Montgomery County, obviously you know what this is. This is where the ads are. I believe you guys are right there, right behind the first page. So that's good. You guys are advertising. So you know the value of being up here. This is the organic map path, which we'll talk about in a minute. But in our organic search, in terms of websites, we have CNC Family Roofing and we have KDI right here. So they're both ranking organically. This area right here gets about 40% of the clicks on Google. This area here, if you're on the first page, you're going to get about 70% of the clicks, which is very important. Okay, so the next thing we're going to talk about is we're going to talk about backlinks. And backlink is anywhere you find your website linking back to another website via clickable hyperlink. Now these links act as an endorsement to your website for users, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing other businesses vouch for you. So the internet is literally like a popularity contest. The person with the most backlinks is going to win. But not every backlink is created equal, so you want to be careful with that. For example, if you go out and get a backlink from Domino's or Pizza Hut, it's just not relevant to your business. You want to get backlinks from other construction companies. You want to get backlinks from electricians, HVAC people, stuff like that. So I use a paid tool called Ahrefs to analyze websites. So I put your website into a checker, and I see that right now you have 3 backlinks, and 2 referring domains, which means that there are 2 websites out there and they're drawing 3 links to your website. So you have a referring domain of 2, and backlink of 3. If we look at your competitor, they have referring domain of 40, which means 40 websites are giving them 443 backlinks. And if we look at the next competitor, they have 141 backlinks, referring domains, which is giving them 2,100 backlinks. This is why when we look here in the organic search, when we type in roof repair Montgomery County, PA, we see those guys are ranked number 1 and number 2 respectively. Okay, so very powerful to get backlinks. The next thing we're going to talk about is we're going to talk about citations. Now, a citation is anywhere your name, business, and address shows up in a directory exactly as it is on your Google My Business page. Citations help you to rank in the Google Map Pack, which is extremely important for local businesses since it generates a huge amount of revenue. Now, the more your citations go up, your name, address, and phone number are in directories, the higher you're going to be in the organic Map Pack. So here we have the Map Pack. We have these companies here. Some places where you can go out and get, citations are Angie's List, Expertise, Better Business Bureau, Yelp. Social media accounts are a great way to get the citations, but there are hundreds and thousands of more places where we can go to get citations. And you don't want to just look locally. You also want to look into other states as well. That's how you're going to outrank these guys. So, for example, Apex Roofing, if they have 20 citations, we want to go out and get 50 citations. If they have 40 citations, we want to go out and get 60 citations, right? So if I click here, and you can see that, well, these guys have a 4.9 rating, 66 reviews, okay? And if I click here and see more companies out there, well, we can go down the list, and we can say, hey, this company has 81 reviews and five stars, 5-star rating. How come they're not ranked on the first page? Well, the guys on the first page have more citations than they do. And the more citations you get, the easier it is going to be for you to rank on the first page of Google. So in recapping, we talked about getting more content on your page, relevant content. You need about 1,500 to 2,000 words of relevant content for the services that you provide. We talked about backlinks, having other companies linking back to your company via the web. So when Google sees those links vouch for you for your credibility. And then we talked about citations, being in more directories than your competitors. The more directories you are, the easier it is going to be for you to rank on the first page of the Google Map Pack. And clearly, you guys, because you guys are advertising on this page right there, you know how important it is to be on that first page of Google. So I want to thank you for watching this video. You can do one of two things. Implement this plan yourself, but keep in mind it does take time to get started, so you want to start as soon as possible. Or if you like, you want to discuss a little further, you can always reach out to us. Our number's at the bottom of the page. The only thing that I ask is that you do give us some sort of feedback on the video. Again, this is Bernie for Be Present Digital Marketing. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.